Hello friends, good morning from Bangladesh and happy Tuesday from Bangladesh. Friends, today is Tuesday 21 December 2021. Now morning time, this Tuesday morning I visiting our village agriculture land area. Friends, you can see behind my back our village agriculture land area, beautiful place, morning time. This morning I walked here. I enjoying natural beauty here, and I saw here is some polluted garbage. So now I collected that polluted garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. Friends, this place is really very beautiful place, natural place. I like this place, so I always save the village nature. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে মঙ্গলবার, এখন সকালে সুন্দর পরিবেশ, এখানে পাখির ডাক শোনা যায়, সুন্দর অক্সিজেন গ্রহণ করা যায়। সকালে এখানে বেড়াতে এসেছি, ঘুম থেকে উঠেই বেড়াতে এসে আমি এখানে কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখেছি, এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this is a really very beautiful natural place. Actually, it is a village agricultural land area. Friends, this morning I walked here and try to collect polluted plastic and polluted garbage. Friends, I saw here one plastic, polluted plastic. I collected this plastic. This plastic is really very bad for our nature, our environment, our agriculture land, our peoples, our children. So I collected this plastic. I saw another plastic here stuck in soil. মাটিতে আটকে ছিল, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, now I will get here and try to collect polluted plastic and garbage. Let's go. I saw another plastic here. I collected this plastic, very bad plastic, old plastic. Beautiful agriculture land area. Here many type of crop. I will get here and try to collect polluted garbage and plastic. I saw another big and old plastic here. I collected this plastic, old plastic, dirty. Another big plastic is stuck in soil, মাটিতে আটকে আছে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। ভেরি ডার্টি, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করেছি। I saw another unused dirty plastic. This plastic, another plastic here. Friends, finally I will say, let's we all save our natural place. I think natural place, nature is wealth of our world. Very dirty plastic. Another plastic here, old plastic, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, old plastic. Friends, stock this plastic and garbage and collect another garbage. Let's go. I saw another plastic here. I collected this plastic, another one. Another plastic here, another plastic আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic here, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I saw another plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম another plastic, really bad plastic, old plastic. I saw here one plastic bottle. This plastic bottle, old plastic. I collected this plastic bottle. It is a old plastic bottle. Friends, I collected some polluted plastic, really bad plastic bottle etc. I collected this polluted plastic and garbage from village agriculture land area. Friends, I collected that polluted plastic and garbage from this area. Now that garbage threw in the dustbin. Let's go. Friends, now this garbage threw in the dustbin. Friends, finally I will say, let's we all save our nature. Really beautiful nature. এত সুন্দর প্রকৃতিতে এরকম আবর্জনা থাকতে পারে না. Let's go this garbage in the dustbin. Friends, this is a village dustbin, used dustbin. This garbage in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend, and this was my nature cleaning mission in Tuesday morning.